Where does the name for a Gop, or in English the Gop, come from? So today I'm in Flintshire, on top of a very tall hill just outside Trelawnyd called a Gop. Now the name Gop is quite interesting. It's the soft mutation of a word cop, which means a summit, which a lot of Welsh speakers will probably recognise as being quite similar to the word copa, which means summit. So why do we have these two very similar words? Well, it's because they were both borrowed into Welsh from English, but at different times. Now the Gop is probably most famous for its Neolithic burial mound which sits on top of it. It's not only the largest one in Wales, but it's actually the second largest one in Britain. Now there's another older name in Welsh for a Gop, and that's Cop Arlenni. Now Cop Arlenni is a shortened form of Cop y Goleni, which means the summit of the beacon fire, and that's because that's what this place was used for in the 1700s. So the name literally means the summit. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you want to support me on my quest, my pilgrimage to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.